taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Olá, bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite, se a gente tiver. Bem-vindos ao canal We Love Football com o Ricardo Nunes.
Antonia!
Aqui de Londres, pessoal. Hoje vamos fazer uma receita filipina feito com squid, squid, é lulas, é? Feita com lulas, é? É squid recipe.
Pusit.
Pusit, é? É uma receita filipina. Vamos fazer com lulas e carne de porco, mas vamos explicar tudo, hein? Okay, we're gonna do a Philippine recipe with the squid, which we're gonna stuff with the minced pork and all the vegetables. So, we're gonna show you step by step. Watch this recipe. Vejam esta receita, vamos ensinar a vocês uma receita filipina. Aqui de Londres com o Ricardo.
Antonia.
Ok, para esta receita temos got calamar here, lulas, Antonia gonna marinate the squid,
Okay guys, I'm gonna marinate it. Pusit. This is the soy sauce.
Soy sauce,
To you.
soya sauce, Então marinade,
And then pimenta.
black pepper, pimenta,
And then honey.
mel de abelha, honey,
Okay, guys. And asin.
sal, salt,
And lemoncito.
o suco de
Lemon.
limão, lemon juice, suco de limão, Olha só,
Calamansi. Yan. That's it. And then
Marinade.
guys, lagyan tayo ng gloves. Okay. Mix it.
You can put more honey if you want.
A bit honey daw.
Yeah, mais pedacinho de mel. Para dar sabor and then give the glaze. Yes. It's going to give the flavor and they're going to make the glaze as well. It's going to be delicious. Vai ser uma delícia total.
Yum. Sarap.
Okay, in a pan we're going to put some olive oil. Yeah, olive oil in a pan. Óleo de azeitona. Okay. E vamos fritar o resto. Ok, cebola, onion, Okay, let's fry the onion and garlic, alho, Let's fry everything together. Yeah, so I can give a nice flavor. Ok, agora vamos pôr celery, Celery, Oh, look at that, E cenoura, carrot, Cenoura picada, And some carrot, Keep it frying, Wow, look at that, Beautiful colors, A little bit of salt. Yeah, salt and some black pepper. Yeah, gonna give it lots of beautiful flavor. Look at that, Does it look beautiful? E agora a carne de porco, olha só, carne de porco, Carne de porco. Vamos pôr lá dentro, Vamos fritar tudo, Olha só, Beautiful, Vamos deixar fritar agora, Agora vamos pôr o tomate. Let's put some tomato. Tomato picado, eh? Chopped tomato, eh? Fresh, eh? Fresh chopped tomato. We're gonna add it in there as well. Let it cook, eh? Okay, let it cook now, eh? Um pedacinho de soia sauce, eh? Yes, soia sauce.
Lagyan namin siya ng soy sauce para yung kulay mabuhay. Ayan. That's a good guy.
Um pedacinho de soia sauce que é para dar mais sabor, eh?
Okay guys, lagyan na natin yung topping dito sa loob ng pusit. Tamayin ko siya na.
Antonia vai pôr a carne lá dentro. Yes, you're gonna stuff with the pork.
Stuffing pork.
Calamari, eh? The squid is getting stuffed with the pork in that delicious recipe from the Philippines. Receita deliciosa das Filipinas, eh?
Ipapasok natin siya. Put all the stuffing inside.
Plenty.
Okay.
Put more now.
Huh? Okay. Bit more. Bit more. This is the stick
Cocktail stick.
para hindi lumabas yung stuffing. I need to cover the stick like this.
So it doesn't come out, eh?
Yeah, now come out. And then put like that. Parting na. Look at this. Okay guys, another one. The same way.
Com palito.
That's
Tem
it.
que stuff, eh?
Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Sarap the people. Wow. Okay, look at that. Oh, okay. Okay, like we have already 3. Guys,
that we're gonna give a nice cut, very gentle, yeah. So it's gonna give a nice color when you fry it, eh? Yeah, quando fritar vai dar uma cor bonita, hein? Tem que fazer estas linhas assim, hein? Ok?
lagyan natin siya ng line. Look at that. Not too much.
Tem que ser devagarinho, que é para não cortar tudo, hein? Ok? It's gonna give a nice color as well, eh? in the nice
Yeah,
shape.
beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at that, people. Gonna be delicious. You are fish lover.
Este é lulas, lulas, hein?
Lulas.
Português se chama lula, hein? Lulas, hein? É uma delícia.
Another
Essa,
one.
hein? Wow, it's gonna be delicious, hein? Vamos comer, hein?
Mer. Guys, oil. Okay, people, look at that. Wow.
Agora para fritar, né? Wow.
Amazing, look at that.
Wow. Delícia total, hein? Delicious, né?
Delicious. Oh, all done.
Delícia total, hein?
Yeah, look at that.
So delicious, hein? Looking gorgeous, hein? Delícia total, hein? Wow. Wow, Antonia, doing good job, eh? See? Wow, look at that, hein? Beautiful. Lindo, hein? Então ele vai fazer a decoração agora no prato. Wow, delícia total, hein? Wow. Wow, look at that, eh?
Hi guys, hopefully you like my recipe. Look at that, amazing and delicious. Please subscribe and like, and more delicious recipe, and give thumbs up. And calamari with stuffing ground pork.
Yeah,
Looks
it's a
delicious.
squid stuffed with the pork. Wow, look at that. Philippine recipe, eh?
Amazing, delicious, guys. Mwah! Have a nice day.
Delicious, eh? Delicious total, eh?
Okay, let's do it.
Can I have a look? Oh no. Yummy. Oh, yes. Bug. Too big.
Yeah.
delicious.
What's this?
Oh guys, look at that. It's so amazing, yummy and delicious.
Yeah.
You
Yummy.
can see?
Yeah.
Yummy, look at that.
Wow, it's
This
yummy.
thumbs up. Please subscribe and like, people, and love this
Like
recipe. Is
people.
amazing.
Amazing.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Mm. Mwah.
Mwah.
See you next time.
Next time.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.